Alright guys, we're going to be making some cornmeal porridge. Now we're going to add some cinnamon leaves and our salt. Now this porridge guys is very basic. You don't need nothing extra in it. We're going to add the cinnamon leaves to the pot. Now I want it to just stay there and just kind of release the flavor in the boiling water. Yeah, so we're also going to add to this, we're going to add the coconut milk and let that cook with it, right? Now this is the first cup of coconut milk that we're going to be using. Let's get through to what I'm going to add to the cornmeal porridge. Every time I'm tempted to say pudding. Alright, come guys. One of the things with cornmeal porridge guys, it's full of spice. So you have to spice it up and make it nice so everybody can enjoy it, right? So we're going to use some nutmeg is a must. The essence of choice that I'm going to be using is almond essence. You can also use rose water, vanilla, mixed spice, of course cornmeal, which is I'm using 1.5 cups of cornmeal and sugar to taste, right? Alright, now you can dissolve the cornmeal in some water, but I choose not to. This is my way of doing it. If you find dissolving it in water easier for you, then go right ahead with that step. What you're going to do, watch me now. Cornmeal porridge, you always have to be mixing for the first 10 minutes or so. Alright, so add it gradually as you can and just mix as you add. So I don't know if you can multitask at this point, but that's how I do it. It's pretty easy for me. So just keep mixing as you're pouring. Never stop mixing. And the cinnamon leaf flavor already coming up so nice. And guys, as usual, you can keep up with me also on Instagram and Facebook. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share the videos if you can. You see it coming up nicely already. Never stop mixing. You can use a whisk of your choice or a spoon. Mix, keep mixing guys, keep mixing. A little hand exercise. And the amount of water that I've added previous was about 10. I've added another additional cup of water to it because we don't want it too thick before we cook it, right? So keep mixing, keep doing that hand exercise until I feel that, you know, 10 minutes through you can cover it and leave it, then you come back and add some more stuff, right? Constant mixing is very necessary because we don't want no whole heap of lump or no lumps at all in the porridge. So what I'm going to go ahead and do now is to add the vanilla. You can add like a teaspoon. And few drops of almond essence. We don't want it to use too much because essence are very strong, right? You don't want it overpower the porridge. Adding now some mixed spice and keep mixing. After which you're going to add the sugar. We adding the sugar now because if you sweeten it at the end, the whole porridge is going to turn dark on you. And you sweeten to taste, alright? Alright, at this time we're going to add our nutmeg. and our coconut cream. Alright guys, our porridge has finished cook. You can see how amazing it is looking. No lumps, lumps free, and ready to eat. Now you can see, very nice pot of porridge. Very nice pot of porridge I have here for you guys. Try this recipe guys. Let me know, tag me on Instagram so I can see how you created this dish, and you can just put your bread in here. Me couldn't do cornmeal porridge without showing you guys, bringing you guys back in time where we used to add bread to the porridge. Yes man. And if you don't want no bread, you can add crackers. Now my son here begging me for bread. Here you go. Thank you so much again for watching this video. Until next time, bye.